Today I am doing a microneedling treatment along with platelet-derived growth factor. So microneedling stimulates your fibroblasts to make collagen, and it also helps to tighten the skin with no downtime. Then we add platelet-derived growth factor, and that will bring your microneedling experience and results to a whole nother level. So it just helps you heal faster. It helps improve your results by decreasing the inflammation and improving, well, basically what it does, platelet-derived growth factor stimulates your body to send the stem cells to wherever we put it, and then the stem cells become brand new collagen, elastin, and fibrin. So who wouldn't want platelet-derived growth factor on with the microneedling? I don't know, everybody should, everybody does. Anyhow, you can also do just PRP with microneedling. Those are called vampire facials. So, or you can do microneedling along with radiofrequency. That's called scarlet. So there's lots of options for microneedling. So today, like I said, we're going to do microneedling with platelet-derived growth factor. So I am going to go ahead and start, and I'm going to have you close your eyes because I'm going to start on the upper eyelids, okay? Microneedling will help stimulate hair growth too. So it's okay to go over eyebrows, unless you have eyebrows that you think are too bushy. But just the microneedling itself will help stimulate hair growth. Okay. This is an area that is hard to treat with Botox, so we treat it with microneedling. Most microneedling pens are basically the same. They're all making channels. I prefer the one that I use because it is plugged into the wall, and although the cord might get in our way, it's always giving the same amount of energy output. So if you have a battery-derived one, sometimes you can, the battery kind of starts to die a little bit. Nobody wants to have like a great treatment to start and then have it peter out. It can also be for arms, elbows, above the knees, inner thighs, really anywhere you have laxity of the skin. I love your upper lip. There we go. This is great for people even when they're young. So like our beautiful patient here, super young, but she's still doing things because we should. Okay, I'm gonna go. We want to keep our skin looking this young and beautiful, right? Once you start to get older and things start to change, it's not too late, but it would have been great if you did stuff before. And even if you have rosacea, this is a great treatment. If you have pigmentation, there are topical creams and serums that I could add to help brighten. So there's all sorts of ways that we can customize the microneedling to whatever your concerns are. It's also not only good for small wrinkles, it's great for pores, it's great for texture. It helps to tighten because, like I said, those little needles are basically poking at your fibroblasts, and that's what makes you make collagen, are your fibroblasts. So we want to irritate them in any way possible. Right now we're irritating them with a little baby needle. Okay, so that is the microneedling, and now is the nice part, which is the Ariessence. So I'll have to just kind of massage it in. So if you want to find out more about microneedling, platelet-derived growth factor, or any of the over 60 procedures that we do, you can find us on YouTube, which might be where you're watching us now, Facebook, Instagram, and on our website, RejuvenationMD, medspa.com.